So student, very good morning. Today I am going to start exercise 2E, and in previous class I had completed exercise 2D. In this exercise you have to learn LCM. You are seeing here LCM. Full form of LCM is least common multiple. LEAST, least, COMMON, common multiple, MULTIPLE. So let's come see how I found LCM. So student, you are seeing that I write two questions, question number 1 and question number 3 in your exercise 2E. So LCM you can find by two methods. First method is prime factorization method, PRIME, prime factorization, FACTORIZATION, prime factorization method. And second one is division method. So from first method I find LCM of given number, then after by second methods means I will solve or find LCM 42 and 63 by two methods. First prime factorization method and then division methods. So prime factorization methods, here I am writing prime factorization method. According to this method, first given numbers you have to find the lowest terms, means convert lowest terms. So when you divide 42 you will get 21 and 3 7. 7 is a last number and it is a prime number, so you will stop here. Then after second number is 63, so 63. When you divide 3, because it has 3 in one's place and 3 is odd number, so it is not divisible by 2. So 3 2 ja 6, 3 1 ja 3, 3 7 ja 21. Then after, these are prime factor numbers. Again I am saying these are prime factor numbers, and you have to write these prime factor numbers in a row. 2 into 3 into 7, 2 into 3 into 7. Then after 3 into 3 into 7, 3 into 3 into 3 into 7. Then after you circle those numbers which are present in both rows. 3 are present in both rows, so you have to circle it. Then after 7, because 7 is also present in both rows. So the SCF will LCM will be, LCM least common multiple will be 3 into 7. First you have to write 3 into 7, and then after you have to write rest number which are not matched any other numbers. 2 into 3, and when you multiply 7 3 ja 21, 21 2 ja 42, and 42 3 ja 3 2 ja 6, 4 3 ja 12. So this is the LCM of both numbers 42 and 63. By division methods we will find LCM 42 and 63. So from 3 we divide, because one number is divided by 2 and one number is divided by 3. So according to rule, I select 3. 14. 3 1 ja 3, 3 4 ja 12. 63, 2 and 1. Again it's divided by 7. 7 2 ja 7 3 ja, and I write 3 into 7 into 2 into 3. When we multiply, 7 2 ja 14, 14 2 ja 7 3 ja 21, 7 3 ja 21, 21 2 ja 42 and 42 3 ja 126. 3 2 ja 6, 4 3 ja 12. So you are saying that both answer are same. Both answer are same. So so this is prime factorization method, and this one is division methods. I forget write the methods. Division 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 method, method. So this is prime factorization method, this one is, and this one is division methods. So you are seeing I solved or find the LCM by both methods, prime factorization method and division method. This is division methods and this is prime factorization methods. So student, from question number 3, I take question number 3. These numbers are given in 3, and with the help of prime factorization and division method also I find LCM. So here you are seeing first by prime factorization methods, prime factorization method, method, we reduce, so student, you are saying that I convert 12, 18 and 20 in lowest terms, and I find these prime numbers, and also I row in it row, and then after I circle those numbers who are matched, who are present in all rows, means 3 rows. I circle 2, I circle this 2 because 2 are present in first and third row. I circle this 3 because 3 are present in first and second row, and rest number who are not matched, who are not only single row, present in single row, 3 and 5. So I had written 3 and 5 here. सबसे पहले हमको क्या करना है कि इसका लोएस्ट टर्म हम लोग कन्वर्ट कर देंगे, उसके बाद हम लोग सर्किल करेंगे. पहले तो जो सब में मिल रहा है, जैसे 2 सब में मिल रहा है, 2 सर्किल कर देंगे. उसके बाद फिर ये जो 2 है, ऊपर भी 2 है और नीचे भी 2 है, तो 3 तीनों में नहीं मिला, लेकिन 2 रो में तो मिल गया, तो हमको वहाँ सर्किल करना होगा. कर दिए. फिर यहाँ पर भी 3 हमको मिल गया, तो यहाँ भी सर्किल हम कर देंगे. भले हमको 3 में नहीं मिला, 2 में मिला, तो हम पहले उसको सर्किल करके यहाँ लिख देंगे. देखिए यहाँ 2, फिर ये वाला 2 और ये 3, एक एक लिखेंगे उसका. तो ये 2 जो सब में मिल गया, ये वाला 2 जो है वो सिर्फ 2 रो में मिला है, ये 3 2 रो में मिला है, और 3 और 5 जो है वो सिंगल रह गया, जो किसी में नहीं मिला है, उसको हम यहाँ लिख दिए. तो यहाँ पर देखना है कि इसका जो आया है वो 180 आया है. फिर हम डिवीज़न मेथड, चूँकि अभी हम पिछले क्वेश्चन में भी डिवीज़न मेथड बना दिए थे और सबको आता भी है बनाने, तो बनाने के बाद यहाँ भी हमको 180 आ रहा है. इसको ध्यान से देख लेना है. यहाँ भी 180 आ रहा है और यहाँ भी 180 आ रहा है. तो एक ही क्वेश्चन पर जो है हम दोनों मेथड जो है वो बता दिए हैं, दोनों मेथड से बनाने के लिए. तो अगर हम एक्सरसाइज का बात करें तो क्वेश्चन नंबर 1 to 9 और 10 से 15 तक, ये इसी मेथड पर बन जाएगा। हम पिछले वीडियो में भी दोनों मेथड दिखा दिए हैं। इससे ऊपर वाला क्वेश्चन भी बना के ये भी बना दिए दोनों मेथड से। तो अब अगले वीडियो में हम लोग जो है 16 से रीड करेंगे।